Hey everyone, welcome back to the Doge channel. Today we're diving into three projects in the Web3 space. Number one, Fount Network. Then we will also take a look at Acheron. And last but not least, we'll touch upon Finceptor's farm drop. We will be going through about what each one does, why they matter, and what you need to know as a crypto enthusiast so that you can make informed decisions. Let's jump in. Alright, first up we have Fount Network. This is a decentralized launchpad built by Finceptor. It's designed to make token launches fairer and more accessible. Unlike traditional launchpads where big players often dominate, Fount's core feature is its allocation policy. What this means is that as long as you stake at least $1 worth of FINC tokens, you're guaranteed a spot in token sales. Of course, the more FINC tokens you stake, the longer you lock it for, the bigger your allocation will be. The whole point of this is to level the playing field, which is huge in a space where whales can crowd out smaller investors. Fount also offers a 1% cashback rewards on investments, which is a nice perk, and a flexible tier system based on Fount points. Also worth noting, it has refundable functions in which will grant you instant refunds. Now let's take a look at how to join their IDOs. To participate in the IDOs on Finceptor, you need to stake the FINC token. That will get you an allocation, and of course you also need to complete KYC. KYC is mandatory for participating in IDOs and bonds. And how can you complete it? First, you need to head over to the KYC verification page, which is on finceptor.app. Click on the sign up button on the landing page. Next step, you need to connect your wallet by clicking the button which is right now highlighted on screen. Once your wallet is connected, you will then need to click the next button, once again highlighted here. After that, you will need then to click the verify wallet button. This button will redirect you to the KYC verification page. Once you reach the KYC website, then the real KYC begins. The first thing you need to do is to click on this box in which it confirms you are not a US resident or person, or you are acting on the behalf of a partnership or corporation organized or incorporated under US laws. After checking this box, you can then proceed and click next. On the next screen, you'll be able to insert your email and your Telegram username handle. After doing so, click next once again. On the next screen, you will be able to choose which type of ID card you will be using for KYC. Is it a passport? Is it a driver's license? It's up to you. Then you'll have to upload a couple of pictures of front and back side of the document you chose. You'll upload those files. When that is done, you'll be able to click next. Make sure you're using the document types that they do allow, like BMP, GIF, JPEG, PNG, WebP, for example. These are the ones that are accepted. The next step will be the liveness test. You just need to follow the instructions on screen. Once you're ready to go ahead, click start. It will turn on your camera and you'll have to perform the actions they will ask you on screen. And this is just to make sure you are a real person. After successfully completing the liveliness test, you will move on to the address verification stage. You'll have to enter required information in the provided boxes, and you then need also to upload a residence certificate, which must be obtained from a government or utility bill with your address. And that's the final step. You then need to click the complete button. It will return you to the Finceptor website. Once your KYC docs are approved, you can participate in sales through Finceptor's website. Keep an eye out for a verification email from Finceptor, because when your KYC application is fully accepted and verified, you will receive a notification email showing your current KYC status on the webpage. It will switch up from pending to verified. Fount Network also offers different tier systems, which are structured from trial up to premium. Trial allows you to start small. Staking condition here is 1k tokens, and you'll get access to cashback And not only that, also a guaranteed allocation increase in tiers, and refund in all of this. The thing is, the more you stake, the bigger your perks will be when it comes to cashback. It can go from starting at 0.25% cashback on trial up to 1% on premium. If this sounds interesting enough to you, make sure to take a full read to their docs because there's definitely more info into it. I'm just giving you here the highline, okay? When it comes to staking, that will enable you to earn rewards and also unlock memberships. So these are the Fount locked staking multipliers, starting with a 15-day lock, giving you a 1x allocation boost, 3% APR. You can also go monthly. A 30-day lock grants you 1.15x allocation boost and a 5% APR. 90 days lock grants you 1.5x allocation boost, 7.5% APR. You can go even 180 days, 6 months. That lock gets you 2x allocation boost, 10% APR. And finally, 1 whole year worth of locking, 360 days. That will enable the highest allocation boost of 2.5x and of course the highest APR at 15%. Alright, since I'm giving you the highline here, you can also refer to the FAQs on Fount.network in order to get more explanation from all of these points shown out here. It involves anything from how to sign up, explaining also what is a Fount point, how does the cashback system works, and finally what the risks are, because these things do involve risk, of course. Now let's touch on the Farm Drop, a product from Finceptor, which is the team behind Fount. FarmDrop is a liquidity bootstrapping tool, part of Finceptor's broader mission to help Web3 projects manage liquidity. It is essentially a way for projects to raise funds and build protocol-owned liquidity before their tokens hit the market. You can think of it as a structured way to fundraise while ensuring the project has enough liquidity to avoid wild price swings post-launch. So each project here is a featured farm drop. They will have different registration periods, guaranteed rounds also in different timelines. First come, first served round is also shown here in the timelines. If there's also vesting periods, they will be announced as well. You can also get links to the Farm Drops official website, docs, and also Twitter account, as well as the funding for the current round, how is it going, and also in which blockchain is this available. In this case, this is on Base Mainnet, this one is on Ethereum, but you can see from past farm drops, they operate a little bit all over every blockchain. For example, this one was also on OP mainnet and this one on the BNB chain. Now let's dive into Acheron. This project caught my attention for its unique angle on Web3 gaming and social interaction. Acheron is a decentralized platform which blends gaming, social networking, and also blockchain rewards. Their mission is to create a Web3 social gaming universe where players can earn rewards through gameplay, own in-game assets as NFTs, and connect in a community-driven ecosystem. Now here's the breakdown. Acheron's flagship game, Runeverse, is a multiplayer racing game where you control customizable NFT characters called runes. You compete in races, earn tokens, and trade assets on their marketplace. The platform emphasizes user ownership, meaning that your runes and in-game items are yours to trade or sell, unlike traditional games where the developer controls everything. They also have a social hub where players can interact, form guilds, or stake tokens for governance and rewards. You can compete to outpace friends and global players with spot-on price predictions. Your runner's speed reflects the real market trends of your chosen asset, earning AKA per win. You can also join tournaments, use boosts to supercharge AKA earnings, and climb the leaderboard with your sharp price prediction skills in every thrilling market-driven race you run. You can cash in your hard-earned AKA on the site, turning your price prediction wins into real rewards from every exciting skill-based race you conquer successfully. So these are the prizes and rules. You get cards in the shape of Amazon gift cards, Tether cards, PayPal, Binance, Steam, Amazon, among many others. Now let's talk a little bit about the AKA token. Total supply 125 million. It operates on the Binance Chain network. The roadmap started on 2024 with development. Right now we are here in the public sale phase in 2025. There's two different tokens, aka it's Acheron's main token for in-game uses, also exchange listings, while the DAO token is used for government decisions and ownership in Acheron. AKA token operates on the Binance Smart Chain, while the DAO token operates on the Polygon chain. One is usable in-game, the other is not. One is used for government decisions on the DAO, the other is not. AKA operates on the Binance Smart Chain and DAO on Polygon. So there you have it, guys. We started with Fount Network, a fair, accessible launchpad shaking up Web3 investing. Then we touched on Finceptor's Farm Drop, which is an interesting liquidity tool. And we finished up with Acheron's Runiverse, which could be a game changer in Web3 gaming if they nail, of course, the execution part. As always, do your own research, check Fount's tutorials, dig more into Finceptor's project details, and keep an eye out for Acheron's updates. If you're excited about any of this, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you next time.